Inggris membuat langkah baru sebagai pembuktian pengakuan negara Palestina. Di situs resmi pemerintahannya, Inggris memperbaharui peta dan keterangan istilah untuk merujuk wilayah tersebut. Dalam situs Foreign Travel Advice untuk Palestina di situs resmi pemerintah Inggris gov.uk diberi catatan, halaman ini telah diperbarui dari wilayah Palestina yang diduduki menjadi Palestina.
I set out in July the terms upon which we would act in line with our manifesto to recognize Palestinian statehood. That moment has now arrived. So today, to revive the hope of peace and a two-state solution, I state clearly, as Prime Minister of this great country, that the United Kingdom formally recognizes the state of Palestine.
Pengakuan Inggris ini mengikuti lebih dari 150 negara yang telah mengakui Palestina. Dengan begitu, 4 dari 5 anggota tetap Dewan Keamanan PBB yang memiliki hak veto telah mengakui Palestina, yakni Tiongkok, Rusia, Inggris, dan Prancis. Sementara Amerika Serikat tetap menolak pengakuan terhadap Palestina. Karena menurut Amerika, pengakuan atas Palestina sama dengan hadiah bagi Hamas.
As everyone knows, I have also been deeply engaged in seeking a ceasefire in Gaza. Have to get that done. Have to get it done. Unfortunately, Hamas has repeatedly rejected reasonable offers to make peace. We can't forget October 7th, can we? Now, as if to encourage continued conflict, some of this body is seeking to unilaterally recognize a Palestinian state. The rewards would be too great for Hamas terrorists for their atrocities. This would be a reward for these horrible atrocities, including October 7th, even while they refuse to release the hostages or accept a ceasefire.
Lalu bagaimana dengan sikap Indonesia? Presiden Prabowo dalam pidatonya di KTT PBB menekankan Indonesia mendukung negara Palestina dan solusi dua negara untuk perdamaian di wilayah Palestina dan Israel.
We condemn all violence against innocent civilians. Therefore, Indonesia once again reiterates its commitment to the two-state solution in the Palestine problem. Only this two-state solution will lead to peace. We must guarantee statehood for Palestine, but Indonesia also declares that once Israel recognizes the independence and the statehood of Palestine, Indonesia will immediately recognize the state of Israel, and we will support all guarantees for the security of Israel.
Lalu apa langkah lanjutan dari sikap Indonesia ini? Peran strategis apa yang bisa dilakukan Indonesia dalam konflik Israel-Palestina? Tim Liputan, Kompas TV.